Alrighty, so now in this video we're gonna start adding our comments, or rather pulling our comments from the database. So now this post I added it manually, so for that you're gonna want to go to a post which actually has comments. For example, this one. So yeah, let's go back to our code. In here let's actually open item post view, our blade component. In here let's just do something like here comments. You're gonna get this post comments. Now let's pass this comments to our blade. So here let's say comments, let's point that to our comments. Alright, so now our comments for this post are available in our blade. Now in order to actually show them, here we can simply, here in the section, let's do something like at if else, if comments exist, then here I'm going to wrap this section in the first for each, in the positive one. Otherwise, here just going to say no comments. Now let's wrap this section in a for each. So here for each comments as comment. Let's wrap this section. Now let's fill up the comment details. Here get. And here replace this one, very important, with the comment user name. And here we can remove this lorem ipsum. In here let's add comment body. Let's just copy this, and then down here in the footer, here let's add a date created at diff for humans. Alright, now if we go back and check, now you see, awesome, now we have these many comments that are loading, which are coming from this post. Now here this comment is different, this is different, but these ones, the replies are the same because we have not yet made them dynamic. So let's go ahead and fix that. Alright, so for the reply, in here we're going to check if this comment has replies. So let's say if this comment replies is true, wrap that inside. Then we're going to do another for each. So here for each, here it is now going to become for each comment replies as reply. And again, cut that and wrap the reply inside this reply. So now let's do the same thing we did up there. Here it's going to become reply username. And here, since we want to show who we are replying to, so now we can simply copy this body. Now here let's add another span element, font bold. In here let's add reply parent user name, because I want to show who we're replying to. Here let's just add an at. Make sure you leave a space, otherwise it's not gonna work. At, leave a space, and add this. Right, then here in the end we can simply add the reply body, and then down here just copy this one, diff for humans, and then add it here in the date. Alright, now if we go back, awesome, now you see we have a comment and some replies, and right now we're replying to this user, like that Lily Coolers. Yes, so now like right now, because we're only doing one level deep, so because we might have a comment or rather a reply which is like 3 levels or 10 levels deep from the parent comment, so we're gonna work on that later. But for now, this is just a basic layout of how the comment system will be. And now before we end this video, let's fix this so we can show the correct number of comments down here. So here, go back, go to the footer of the post view, and in here after the likes description, let's actually remove this attribute for on click, and in here add get the post comments count, and also here remove this view all. Alright, now if we go back, awesome, now you see it is saying 43 comments, and then we can see the comments as we scroll here on the top. I can close this one, open another one, let's say this one. If I open this, it's showing the image here and the comments, and it's working perfect like that. So yeah, I think that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.